Hey, I bet you I can find a fish that can fly.
You? Find a fish that can fly? I'll give you $100 if you can find a fish that can fly.
Got that deal. If I don't, I'll give you $100.
You're on.
Hello, everyone. So we are going to be talking about fly fish. Sorry, you still gotta get to know that flying fish. Well, actually, the way the flying fish was discovered, we're not completely sure which one came first. A group of fishermen had their flashlight get tangled in a net, and it went under the boat, and they caught some of these fish that had weird wing-like things. But another story claimed to be first, that one person bet that he could find a fish that could fly. So it is actually quite weird. You think, wait, the fisherman dropped lights in the water and then flying fish came? I'm not sure how that works. Well, actually, the flying fish, they are attracted to the light like a moth. So they lay really weird eggs. These eggs, they are yellow and they clump and they're on floating debris. It's really weird. So they lay hundreds of these. I literally mean hundreds. You're thinking, well, if a fish can fly, then nothing can eat it, right? Wrong. Flying fish have a variety of predators, including the marlin, the tuna, swordfish, dolphins, mackerel, and humans are the flying fish predators. Yeah, we are so mean. We are hurting these poor innocent. They are cute. But the flying fish, if you paid attention, flying fish's bodies look like torpedoes. So the way they go is that they're starting to swim really fast in the water. Then they peek their heads up. They're flapping their bottom crazy, just going boom, 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 boom. Then eventually jumps. They spread out their front fins that act a lot like wings. Here are their fins. And they glide. Now, how long do you think a flying fish can fly? When that question was first asked, they said, I bet like 10 feet maybe. It measured over 2 football fields. 653 about. I think that's really cool. I'm no expert on jumping abilities or gliding abilities, but this is major. They only shoot off of the water at 37 miles per hour. So one of the fish's secrets is they are light. They are very, very light. They have a bunch of air in their everywhere that actually makes them lighter. They have a forked tail to help steer them through, and they are actually 7 to 12 inches, so that to that. They usually come blue and gray. Like I said, their fins usually act like wings. And their wings, depending on the species, are usually see-through. And flying fish, like I already said, their eggs look yellow and they're just sticky. And they actually go on the side of debris. Seaweed. If you look into that seaweed, you might be interested on what you can find. You can find a lot of different things. They eat plankton and floating debris. So they are herbivores. So that means they eat things like plants. And that's all you really need to know. It's still an argument on who discovered them first, the fishermen or the group of people who were betting they could find some things. That's all you need to know about the flying fish. Please subscribe and tell your friends. And remember, perspective is interesting, but knowledge is power.